Thanks to all of you who joined me for our recent telephone town hall meeting to discuss the issues that matter most to our senior citizens. For those who were unable to participate, I want to share with you my commitment to protecting Social Security and Medicare, while also strengthening and preserving these important programs for future generations. You know, Social Security is America's most successful insurance program, keeping nearly half of our nation's senior citizens from falling below the poverty line. I recognize that Social Security does need to be restructured to ensure that it will have long-term solvency, but it should never be done in a way that reduces benefits or hurts our senior citizens. We can make sure that it stays solvent and even strengthen benefits for those who count on their monthly check. I'm very opposed to privatizing Social Security. Privatizing any portion of Social Security removes it from helping individuals and exposes their resources to stock market risk. We want to make sure we're protecting Social Security and making sure that you have available to you the funds that you work so hard for. In addition, I want to make sure that we address any concern about your monthly benefits with regard to the COLA or cost of living adjustment. The annual Social Security COLA is small, but is a much needed benefit to help our seniors. And we want to make sure you always get an increase when you have an increase in cost. For this reason, I'm co-sponsoring a bill that would make sure that if there is any adjustment to be made, it will reflect your needs and your purchasing habits as senior citizens, rather than relying on a general consumer price index that takes into account other needs that younger people may have or folks in their middle age may have. We know that senior citizens have very unique spending needs and habits with regard to food and medicine and health benefits and transportation. And we want to make sure that you get the cost of living increase that you deserve and that you need. As with Social Security, I'm committed to protecting Medicare for our senior citizens. Earlier this year, the Budget Chairman, Paul Ryan, unveiled his budget plan, and it was called The Path to Prosperity. Despite an appealing title, it was a radical plan with objectives that would have a devastating impact on the future of health care for senior citizens, and I voted against his drastic measure. We certainly need to find a bipartisan solution to address the long-term solvency of Medicare and to lower the national debt. But this legislation was the wrong approach. Instead of the Ryan plan, we should work together for common sense reforms that can be implemented and improve the delivery of health care without risking your coverage with Medicare. After working tirelessly their entire lives, our senior citizens should be enjoying the dignified retirement that you have envisioned and deserve. Preserving Social Security and Medicare is of critical importance, particularly as our nation has to make decisions for competing priorities. I remain committed to an agenda that values and honors our nation's senior citizens and provides all Americans, especially those in their senior years who have worked and given so much to make our country great, to receive the benefits that you have earned and that you deserve. I will always fight for your protection under Social Security and Medicare to make sure you get those benefits that you have earned.